In order to change icon color on POCO F7, you can, for example, open settings, scroll down a little bit, and then we can go to personalization. In here, if you open icons, you should be able to find the background color, where we can set it to blue, green, purple, or brown. However, unfortunately, only selected apps will be synchronized with this option. As you can see, many apps are not working with this, so it doesn't look that great. Besides that, what you can also do is download a custom theme for icons. So we're gonna go back to personalization, and over here, go to themes. Now in here, make sure that you have themes selected, and you can try to find anything that you like. Of course, we have themes, not just icons, but themes. But as you can see, they can change the appearance of icons. So in this case, I'm gonna download this theme as an example. And once it is downloaded, before I apply it, I can press customize, and I can uncheck everything and leave only icons selected. So I'm gonna press apply. And then, as you can see, we have a new appearance, including colors for icons. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.